Today I want to show you guys two different brushes, how they work on shorter hair using the Dyson Airwrap. The first one is the round volumizing brush. This one has direct heat all over the place. It does not use the Kawanda effect, and it has those bristles that really attach to your hair, so you can really mimic what you want to do with your hair. And then the soft smoothing brush, this has really soft, gentle bristles, so it's gonna be really soft on your scalp. And this one does use the Kawanda effect. As you can see, the bristles, they move side to side. Let's begin. I'm gonna first start with the volumizing brush. Now I'm gonna show you guys kind of some of the techniques that I like to use. So first what I was doing, I just kind of went and then brushed it through, kind of got the heat rolling in the hair. So with this, I then go in really close to my roots and kind of just hold it there for a couple of seconds and then just start brushing it kind of upwards to create that volume, kind of lift the hair. So I really like this brush if you want to create some kind of shape into your hair. I think this one does a really good job. With the soft smoothing brush, I feel like it gives a really fast, really easy result, and there's not really much thinking involved with this type of brush, is because it kind of does the job for you. The only thing that I like to do differently is when I go through and I kind of just hold it there towards the bottom of my haircut, let it kind of sit there with the air and the heat, and then kind of gently brush it through, but I brush it through towards my face or towards the front of my face to kind of give it that little swoop towards the bottom. It gives different looks, but I feel like with this, it's a little bit easier just because it does the job for you, because it's a lot bigger, there's a lot more real estate for your hair to sit on. But with this one, you kind of have to work a little bit more to create that shape that you want, which some people like this a little bit more just because your hair sticks onto it, but that's just kind of what I notice when I do my hair with these brushes. Alright, so now that my hair is nice and dry, I just want to show you guys a difference that with this volumizing brush, you can really go in there and give your hair a bend. And it looks like you put something in your hair, like a curling iron or something else, but I like that you can easily do that with this because the brush is a really good size. Even for my shorter hair, you can accomplish some kind of bend in your hair, and it does look really, really pretty on longer hair. And then with the soft smoothing brush, you can see that with this, it just gives your hair so much body. It gives a nice, very soft, very sleek, very clean look to your hair, and it's very consistent, it's very even, and it just looks so good. These are very different types of looks, but they're both very easy to accomplish and they're very fast. Another thing I do want to mention, a lot of people were comparing the volumizing brush to the Revlon, and I can see why, but the thing is they both do such very different things. I like comparing the Revlon to this soft smoothing brush or the firm smoothing brush. The reason why is because they give super similar results. So with this, you can create really great tension for hair that needs that tension. So that's why I like comparing these two, because they give very, very similar results, and you can't really do too much with the Revlon, or you can't really do too much with this. It just gives you those straightforward results. With the round volumizing brush with the Dyson Airwrap, this one you can really go in there just because of the size difference, and it's round. So that's why it's completely different styles. So you can really go in, even with my shorter hair, you can give some kind of bend to it. With the Revlon, even with longer hair, from what I experience and from what other people experience, you can't really go in and give it a wave or even a curl. That's my experience and from others' experience as well. So that's the overall result. That's why I really like and enjoy using the Dyson Airwrap. No, I am not sponsored by them. I wish I was. I only talk about stuff that I really like and I really use on a daily basis, or I use it on a weekly basis. And with this Airwrap, it is very expensive. It's definitely an investment piece, but it's a great piece if you're gonna utilize every single attachment that comes with the actual package. Just make sure you want all of those attachments that come with it. That's where it's gonna be worth your while. That's where it's gonna be worth the investment. All right, guys, thanks for watching, spending time with me and my hair and my Dyson Airwrap, and we'll see you in another one very soon. Bye.